Most companies run their business in silos. Sales is focused on revenue, operations is focused on production, finance is focused on cost, but no one is aligning the entire business around one operational plan. And that's exactly why companies struggle with missed deliveries, excess inventory, and constant firefighting. The system that fixes this is called Sales and Operations Planning, or S&OP. But the reality is, most companies are doing it wrong. Today, I'm going to explain what it actually is. Sales and operations planning is not just a supply chain process, it's a business management system. Its purpose is to align four critical functions: sales, operations, supply chain, and finance. The goal is simple: to ensure the company is operating from one unified plan that balances demand and supply. Without this alignment, every department ends up optimizing for their own goals, and that's when you see chaos. I've seen it often: sales promises dates operations can't meet, and customer service spends time explaining delays. It's not a software problem, it's a lack of alignment. S&OP is designed to solve exactly that. A good S&OP process follows a structured monthly cycle, typically including four major steps. First is the demand review. This is where the company evaluates its demand forecast. Sales and marketing review market trends and new opportunities to create a realistic view of demand. Second is the supply review. This is where operations evaluates whether they can support that demand. Do we have the capacity, the materials, the inventory to support the forecast? Third is the pre-S&OP meeting. This is where gaps between demand and capacity are identified. Issues are analyzed before they go to leadership, like when demand is higher than capacity. Finally, the executive S&OP meeting. This is where leadership makes the final decisions. They approve the operational plan and align the entire organization around one plan of record. Even though the framework is simple, many companies struggle. The most common reason: treatment. Instead of a decision-making process, it becomes a reporting exercise where no real decisions are made. Another failure is the lack of executive ownership. If the team isn't engaged, the process loses authority. And finally, many struggle because their data and planning systems are simply not aligned. Forecasts don't match financial plans, and the entire process becomes reactive. When S&OP works well, the impact is significant. Customer service improves and inventory stabilizes. Instead of reacting to problems, the organization becomes proactive. That's the real power of S&OP. S&OP only works when it's treated as a business leadership process, not just a supply chain meeting. When done correctly, it aligns the organization to scale, serve customers better, and operate efficiently. I'm Michelle with Streamline Consulting Group, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. Let's fix the flow and grow your business. Subscribe, like, and share for more streamlined insights.